So, for today, y'all all know that I made some weird sauce, and for this I will be calling it monkey sauce. So, I have a few things that we're going to try it with. So, here I got a blueberry bagel. Blueberry. Let's see, we're going to dip it in the sauce and see how it tastes. It's a little... I need to try another taste. It's actually pretty good. It's a little sweet and sour. Has a great aftertaste. Well, let's see. I have a hash brown here. I had to tear it up so I can dip it in. This is just super delicious. Okay, so I got a sausage patty, right? I'm gonna tear off a piece so I can dip it in the sauce. Let's see how it is with meat. I think this sauce is going to become a thing, guys. Super delicious. Now, we're going to do one that I probably shouldn't do, because I should have learned from last time. But you never know with new experiments, trying different things, it could be good. Banana. Gotta pour this a little bit to get it on the sauce, because it's... There we go. Not too bad. So, overall, I would say that the sauce is definitely an 8 out of 10. It's really good. If I take out a little bit of the pickle juice, maybe put a little bit of sugar in there, I don't know, but I could perfect it. I just need maybe another a few weeks or so. Hey, you never know, it could be released on the market. I could have come up with something here really good. So, you guys have any comments or want me to do something else, just go ahead. You know what to do, and I'll come with a new video soon. Bye.